Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to cover an important topic, use of apostrophe. Here in circle I have uh, tried to tell you about use of apostrophe, and in the last circle number 3 it is comma. The difference between apostrophe and comma, the basic difference between apostrophes and comma is that uh, apostrophe is used at the top of the line and comma is used at the bottom of the line, and apostrophe also takes s after it, and sometimes o after it, and sometimes for contraction other letters with it. So today we are going to study apostrophe and its function. On the basis of its function, it is named as apostrophe of possession. First of all, it is used as apostrophe as possession to show possession of something. It is used as Hazrat Muhammad's life, and as Ahmad's car, and Rashid's bag. So we also use of for possession. Here we will have to remember the point that apostrophe of possession is used with animate things, living things, and of is used to show possession of non-living or inanimate things. We will never say car of Ahmed, we will never say chair's leg. So we will use leg of the chair and Ahmed's car. So we should keep in mind the basic difference between apostrophe of possession and of. And then there comes apostrophe of contraction. Contraction means when we use some words with the contraction, we omit some of their letters, as in case of it is, and also can't, and it's not written as cannot, and also as in case of I will, we use I'll, I apostrophe is used and then double L. And the next one we use apostrophe of time. Apostrophe of time takes O with it, as we use O, and then 3 o'clock. Apostrophe of number, apostrophe of number will use as it is used as 2 4s 3 6s. I hope that this lesson will be beneficial for you. So you should remember 4 functions of apostrophe: apostrophe as apostrophe of possession, apostrophe of contraction, apostrophe of time, and apostrophe of number, or it is also known as special apostrophe. So that's the end of the lecture. Allah Hafiz.